CSIR NET exam from 2018 June exam. If you keep not subscribe my channel, then click on subscribe button and drop bell icon, get notification and more updates. How to apply and login and register here. New applicant and first time register here, and another apply login register here. And now registration, email address, confirm email address, mobile number, and create an password. Password should be between 6 to 15 character, plain text, one alphabet, one digital, and one special character. Confirm password and submit. Submit and then OTP the email account and enter the OTP and submit, and open the GRF and net optional details. Not all fields are mandatory, and GRF and net optional details applied for selected option only GRF, only lectureship and GRF and lectureship. But GRF is the cutoff marks. In the lectureship already, because GRF and lectureship choosing better. Subject choose mandatory one subject and choose, and specialization, suppose we are choose science specialization in the physical geography are better. Specialization is the choice. Choose and exam center Kolkata, Delhi and Chennai, Bhopal, etc. Choose the exam center. Medium of the exam as applicable. Medium of the exam, how question is English or Hindi, both Hindi English or either English. English and personal details, name of candidate, Mr., Mrs. and dear, name and email address, mobile number, phone number, gender and father names, mother names and husband name in case married female, date of birth and ages. Your date of month automatically calculate age and year, month or day. Category general, OBC, SC and ST. And for age number 11 and 12 below, only person with 40% and above disability as per valid medical certificate shall be considered. Person with disability, PWD, that type of disability is another type of candidate, not handicap, but PWD not applicable. And if person has disability with which is identified for being eligibility for scribe, doing wet scribe help, not applicable. name and complete mailing address. Name and actually proper address because mail proper pin code is a mail and because uh, is qualified GRF. Then very common letters and city, pin code, state. State is the West Bengal, Goa, Gujarat, Delhi, etc. And the permanent address. Always permanent address is always same and name and complete the mailing address. So same as mailing address. Click and fill up the address, city and pin code and state. Qualifying degree details refer to main notification for qualification. Bachelor degree holders will not be eligible for lectureship. As per instruction considering the main notification, select the degree because MSc, MBBS, another type of qualified click and candidates enrolled for MSc or having completed matriculation, higher secondary and BSc or BA on BCom or BTech years in the qualifying examination may be applied under result weighted RA category. Bachelor degree details, month of year of passing, obtained marks, maximum number of marks, and qualifying degree or details, month and year of the enrollment, month and year of the enrollment, and duration of year, university or institute names, and college names. If result weighted, yes, yes, semester year details, no, yes, if you result yes awarded, then as per qualified degree, having selected result awarded, start status, yes, please upload R category assisted by head of department institute the requested format. R category certificate format may be found under site link download RA category document. Then no is a no, fill up the RA by result awarded certificate. Semester year details. Then no, I result is not awarded. So month of year passing and deviation, percentage marks and deviation, obtained marks, maximum marks. Yes, yes. So selected the past semester year enrollment, selected semester year, first semester, second semester, third, fourth, fifth, and third semester, sixth semester, and month of year enrolled, and likely you are passing in final semester, final year. Upload documents. Yes, upload documents. Upload documents is very important. Upload scan, photograph, choose file and no file chosen. Upload scan photograph in JPEG and JPEG format. Dimension ranging from 130 into 160 should be less than 150 KB. Valid file name should have only extension 1 alpha numeric character allow with dash hyphen space and not allow. no photograph upload scan signature. Upload scan signature is JPG format and one 150 KB. Upload scan qualified degree and certificate. Upload 400 KB and PDF format, and only numeric and character always is dash and no space not allowed. At last, can upload attested certificate RE. If yes, result awarded, choose your file and upload scan document in PDF format. Full size should have less than 400 KB and valid file name and alphanumeric character always with dash hyphen space not allowed. Save and preview. After that, final summation and not completed. But because fee not a payment. Actually, fees exam payment. Fees of payment another way. Debit card, credit card, and net banking. Option. The very carefully and read the setting of the full application from carefully. But small mistake and actually very future on problem. So thank you so much watching my video. Please subscribe my channel and click the bell icon. Get more updates. Thanks.